In this video, I will talk about eggs and its massive health benefits. For further information, see the comment section below. If you want to support this channel and see more videos like this, eggs are rich in protein. They contain essential amino acids, providing 6 to 7 grams of high-quality protein per large egg. They aid weight loss by satisfying hunger, thanks to their low-calorie count and filling protein content. Lecithin in eggs, especially in the yolk, is a source of brain-healthy choline, supporting memory and cognitive function. They lower cholesterol and reduce heart disease risks by emulsifying fats in the bloodstream. They are a natural source of vitamin D, which is vital for maintaining strong bones. Biotin in eggs promotes healthy hair and nails, preventing brittleness and hair loss. They contain lutein and zeaxanthin, antioxidants that safeguard eye health and lower the risk of macular degeneration and cataracts. They have a negligible amount of sugar, thus avoiding insulin spikes and making them a suitable option for blood sugar regulation. Therefore, you should always ingest eggs, whether scrambled, fried, poached or boiled, for versatile and delicious meals that offer numerous health benefits. Don't forget to check out my book, The Obesity Solution. It's available on Amazon and the link is provided below. It has a lot of tips on weight loss, low-calorie recipes, weekly meal plans, and much more.